Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your website analytics with HubSpot beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with managing your website analytics in HubSpot, first, log in to your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the reports section in the main dashboard. Here, you will find an option labeled Analytics Tools. Click on Traffic Analytics to begin analyzing your website traffic. In the Traffic Analytics section, you can view key metrics like sessions, users, and page views. To dive deeper, explore the different tabs available, such as Sources, Landing Pages, and Content. Each tab provides insights into where your traffic is coming from and which pages are most popular. Next, consider setting up custom reports for more tailored insights. Navigate to the Reports tab and click on Reports. Then, select the Create Custom Report option. Choose the data source you want to analyze, such as contacts or marketing emails. Once you select the desired source, pick from available metrics to include in your custom report. After configuring your report, click Save to keep it for later use. To schedule your reports, return to the report list and find your saved report. Click on the report, then select the Schedule option to set up regular delivery. Decide how often you want to receive the report and enter the email addresses of those who should receive it. Once you set the schedule, you will automatically receive updates on your website performance. Remember to regularly check the Dashboards section for an overview of all your analytics. You can customize dashboards by adding widgets that showcase specific metrics important to your business. To get the most from your analytics, ensure you are familiar with the attribution reports. This feature allows you to measure the effectiveness of various channels in driving conversions. By following these steps, you'll become adept at managing your website analytics with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.